Welcome to our second renovation project. One more big step in this renovation journey has been completed, which is the skimming works. The whole property has been fully skimmed, and that brings us close to the next step, which is the decoration bit. But here's the truth. This step is one of the most crucial ones because it will define whether the renovation looks cheap or expensive. No matter how nice your paint, your design, or your finishes are, if the plastering is not done right, it will ruin everything. In this video, I'll share with you why it's important to have a good skimmer and why a bad skimmer can ruin everything for you before you even apply paint to it. Hi, I'm Daniil, and behind the scenes is my wife Greta, and together we're the Vnoutchkovs. Last year we bought 4 investment properties with 0 of our own money, and we document the whole journey on this YouTube channel. We're sharing everything from the highs to the lows, the lessons that we learned, the strategies that we applied, and everything in between. So now, let me show you around. So we are in the first bedroom. As you can see, it's been fully skimmed. The quality is very nice. You can see it's very shiny. Usually indicates that's good quality. We have a bathroom here. Then we go to the hallway. As you can see here, everything has been skimmed as well. And once you skimmed it, it gives you that kind of a feeling of the size of the rooms, which is very nice. This is another room. It's a bit of a mess here, something for the skimmer still to finish, especially the windows. But yeah, another big size room, very nice finish of the skimming. Let's go to the kitchen. So we have a basement down there, which will store the hot water tanks and the electric area. And then this is the big kitchen that we'll have. It's going to be a massive kitchen with a communal area where the tenants can eat, work, socialize, which is very nice. Then at the back, we have one more room, and it actually worked out nicer and bigger than I initially thought it would be. The room is actually quite a good size with a private bathroom. We'll have a big shower here for the tenant to shower in, which is very nice. Now let's go upstairs to the first floor and I'll show you the skimming works over there. So welcome to the first floor. This floor got a few very big rooms as well, which is very nice. Let me show you the first one, which is here at the back of the property. So look at the size of this room, it's just amazing. Big window at the back, which lets in a lot of natural light, which is always great. Private bathroom, and as you can see, very nicely finished skimming works, so that's all good. So now let's go down the hallway. We have a bathroom here, which is also very big in size, which is great. Really like this one. Let me take you to the next bedroom on this floor. There you go. So another big bedroom, big window, gets a lot of light coming in, which is great. Private bathroom, which will have a shower, toilet, and vanity unit. Then let's go to this big room down. Look at this one. This one is just amazing as well. So another big size room. We'll have a little wardrobe, built-in wardrobe, which will be great. And yeah, again, quality of the skimming is just very nice. Next one is just over here. This room is also nice and big in size. 2 big windows to get in a lot of daylight for us. That's very important because, you know, it's nice to live in a room where you have a lot of light coming in. Another bathroom, which is for the tenants, private one, and that's great. And then now let's go to the loft, where we have another 2 big rooms. I think they're the biggest ones of the whole property, so let me show you. All right, so we're now on the top floor, which has got the 2 biggest rooms in the whole property. And this one is very nice in particular because it got the skylight here. As you can also see, is the spotlights have been cut out, and the reason for that is because next week the decorator is coming in, is going to apply the first mist coat on all the walls, and the ceilings will be painted. So that will be done, and then the joiners can come in, the tilers will come in and do their work, and then the decorator will come towards the end to do all the finishing, paint on all the walls and the doors, etc. So yeah, as you can see, the whole property has been fully skimmed to the highest standard, and it's very important for us to get that done right. We paid more than we paid before, and the reason for that is because when you don't do the skimming right, you'll see the small bumps on the walls, and you'll see that very clearly later when you start painting the walls, and that will really define the quality of your end product. And for us, it's very important to have the highest standard of the rooms so that the tenants, they look at it and they feel like they're staying in a very luxurious hotel, for example. So that's why we skimmed it very nicely. So yeah, let me show you one more room here in the loft, which is a very nice one as well. By the way, we have this big bathroom for that bedroom because it didn't have a shower or an ensuite in the room. So here we have a very nice shower area for the tenant, will be toilet, a sink, Velux window to let in a lot of daylight, which is great. And then let me go to this room because this one is also a very nice big bedroom. We'll have a walk-in wardrobe here with 2 doors, which will be great for the tenants because they want to store a lot of stuff. And then a bathroom here as well, which is also very nice and big in size with a lot of daylight coming in. So yeah, as you can see, everything's fully skimmed and it looks great. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to see how our first project is coming along, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.